Good morning, friends. Myself, Bhumika Chawla from GM Education, is once again back with you people to help you out with the writing section as we were doing earlier too. Friends, last time we completed note making of section A, and today I told you we'll be going to start the section B. So, as I have told you earlier to keep up with you the question paper of 2016, so I hope you are carrying that. So today we'll be going for the first question of section B, that is many a times carrying that a notice or an advertisement or a formal invitation or an informal invitation. So for these things today we'll be focusing on the first question of 2016 question paper, that is question number 4. Let me read out the first question for you. You are Karuna Bajaj, a leading lawyer practicing in Surat. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified column of your local newspaper. You can be contacted at 456 456 78. So friends, as we all are aware that the first question is for advertisement. You might have practiced what is an advertisement throughout the year. Well, if not, don't worry about it. Let me tell you what's an advertisement. Friends, advertisement is something which you have to give in the local newspapers so that whatever the content you want to express, whatever content you want to make it aware is going through the people in a very easy manner, right? So there are some things which we have to keep in mind while writing an advertisement. That is my favorite thing, the box. I hope I don't need to tell you why we need a box, as I have specified this thing earlier in the video 1, how to attempt the question paper. So today I want to tell you that after making the box, while writing the title of the advertisement can vary depending upon the need of the advertisement. For example, if you want to give an advertisement for sale and purchase, you will be writing the column as sale and purchase. If you are for selling or purchasing a property, you will be writing the column property. Okay? If you are going for a situation, that is you require a job or you want to give a job, you will be writing situation wanted in case you want a job, situation vacant if you want to provide a job. For sale and purchase, for purchasing properties, for this situation wanted and vacant, and for the lost and found too. For etc. numerous options, we have to go for the specifying heading which must be given for the advertisement. So here, as we have to buy a house, so we'll be writing property over here, or if this word property is not coming to our mind, we can write the word that is sale and purchase. Else we can write to let. To let means these are the people. If you people have been gone through the hoardings which are provided at the various local states or the various local areas, that is for to let. The people are the one who used to get you help in getting some new house. So the question which is we are having, that being a Karan or Karuna. As I'm a girl, I would like to be the Karuna. So I'm a Karuna and I'm a lawyer who's practicing in Surat, and I want to buy my own house which can be commercial as well as for residence purpose. So what I'll be doing, friends, this why I like advertisement the most is, like, we don't have to do much efforts for this. We don't have to be correct with the grammar. We don't have to be accurate with whatever we want to write. We just have to enjoy while writing. We can enjoy, we can make fun of English over here. And how? For example, you don't have to use the correct grammatical sentences. You have to use small phrases without any conjugations. So here I can write in a layman language. For example, a person who's unaware of English will speak like 2 house, 2 rooms, 4 balconies, 1 kitchen, etc., etc. In this way, without using the conjugations and without framing a proper sentence, I can make an advertisement which is very attractive and scoring too. These 4 marks are something where you can easily grab all the 4 marks if you are aware with the content. So after writing the heading, what I'll be doing, I'll be writing Want a house, or I could write a house required. Okay, so after this want a house, I can tell you like a house required, then you'll be writing the place. Or you could start with the specifications of the house. A house required fully furnished, 4 BHK, as I want it to be residential plus commercial. So being a single one, I must be requiring the 4 so that I could separate my business and my studying or residential part separately. BHK, then comma. You might have been wondering why I'm using the capital letters throughout. Friends, this is again a tip which you have to follow, because writing the complete advertisement with the capital letters will give your advertisement a complete body, and moreover a precise manner, or you could say differentiate this from the other writing sections, showing that you have actually advertised something. So after writing all the things in capital, we must go for the other specifications, that are a house required, fully furnished, 4 BHK, 2 balconies, and two attached bathrooms, along with bathrooms, parking space, these are the specifications which you require for your home. And moreover, if you want to add something more, like if you want to live a more luxurious life, because I'm quite contented with the content I have written over here, so if you want something more, so you can add that thing too. Now I'll be writing where. Near High Court. The lawyer, obviously I'll be requiring a house near High Court, because you know what, these lawyers or these freshers who are like me, they're quite lazy, because they don't feel like getting up early or rushing to the place, and if they have to rush, they have to get up early and prepare everything, then they have to go. But if I'll get a house near the place, then it will be quite convenient for me to go to reach the place on time. So that's why I read the place that is near High Court. And basic market facilities, because obviously being a human, I would be requiring some basic needs, that is for fruits, for vegetables, for clothing, and I require a supermarket nearby. The basic market facilities as you could see, I haven't used any of the conjugation or any of the helping verbs over here. I'm just continuing the passage along with just commas and some small short phrases. So with these phrases, I have to use High Court and basic market facilities around. What else I want? Well, I'm contented with this much content, this much things. So I'll be doing it. Full stop. Then ranging from. Now it comes to the price, because you have to tell the price within which you want the house, because either the brokers or the main dealers who will be providing you with the house will be giving you the house of that range or below that range, if you are specifying the range. Ranging from I'm a rich lawyer, okay, and I'll be turning to a millionaire soon, so I want a house of nearby 1 crore. 7 zeros, na? Yeah. One crore to yes, I'm so rich. Okay, so ranging from 1 crore to 1.5 crore, I need a house, and after that, I'll be expanding that. So that you don't have to specify what you will be doing later on. What you have to specify is ranging from this to this. Done. This much is the content. You can also add some of the content if you want to, like you have to specify whatever things, whatever basic more needs you require. After this, in the middle, you have to write your name. That is as they are specified. I'm Karuna Bajaj, so I'll be writing Karuna Bajaj, and being Karuna Bajaj, I have to give my email ID. Okay, next they have given me the contact number too. That is quite easy one, 456 456 78. Done. This much is my contact details. If someone want to contact me, either the salesperson or the one who has his own place to sell out. Last thing what I must tell you people is that you people must give an eye catchy line at the last, so that it must not look like that you just gave something and you just ended it like this. You have to give an eye catchy line so that the examiner must feel like reading it till the end. That examiner must be feeling like that the person might have done something which is important and must go through the passage thoroughly. So at last you can write, for the case of property, you can write brokers, please excuse. Why? Because there are brokers who people used to help you out by taking some nominal amount or some huge amount, that they'll be providing you with good dealers for houses. But why to add to your expenses? Brokers, please excuse. Or if you don't have this kind of statement in your mind at the time of examination, you can directly write it like hoax callers, please excuse. Hoax callers means those who are fake callers. You can directly write the same statement for each and every advertisement. Hoax callers, please excuse. Because after giving the advertisement, you'll be definitely giving these your contact number, and definitely many will be contacting you. So at that time, if you don't want any of the fake callings, you can write the statement hoax callers, please excuse. So friends, apart from this, there are many of the advertisements which you have to practice. For example, for the matrimonials, for the sale purchase, for the lost found, and there are many. So for that, keep practicing, and for more such helps, stay tuned and do subscribe our channel.